channel. Today we are going to be eating noodles with hot Cheetos. We got this recipe from Nikocado avocado. And his video is in the link in the description for you guys to get the recipe.
Yeah, but I only got some.
You even took one hole into the room.
You
Mira, mix it.
Mix it.
For this?
How many do it?
Oh, wait.
Do all of it, Mom?
Like this.
All of it?
Kids can't. Wait, put that
Make
first
it
and then
this
put the
way.
rest of it.
Okay.
Do you know how to move it around?
Push.
Oh my god.
That's so red.
Oh my god, it's
Wait, you put all of it?
I can smell it.
Todo.
No, first, it's already on.
I'm not gonna put all of it. It's too much already.
Mommy, now do I dump it?
What's that?
Yes,
This is the onion and garlic.
Cebollita.
Onion and garlic.
Better not get my shirt ready.
Mommy, do I dump it now?
No, because it's already on the sauce. That's just if you want to add it to yours.
Oh my god. Mix it. Grab your.
Mix.
Oh my god, it's falling.
Oh, you took my shirt.
Okay, only one or two persons, Nathan. Here.
I'm
we
not
do it,
doing it.
Nathan.
It's falling from here. Brian's face.
Mix that. That's all.
She's the one that last night she was like, I want it right now. And then my stomach started,
Grumbling.
yeah.
Grumbling.
It tastes good, but it takes a lot of beets.
Me? I just don't
That's
like
why
good though.
you can add more chili, the noodles chili, if you wanna.
I can't wait.
Más chile.
Hey, we forgot
Ew, I hate the noise of it.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. This shit disgusts me.
Right?
2020.
I want to get this off of my fork.
Can anybody take this off of my fork?
Nathan, that's nothing.
Nathan, just stop mixing it already.
Oh, I can't wait to eat this.
I'm gonna add more of that because
You know what's the best thing?
it tastes way too sweet.
Yeah.
You tried it?
Sweet? That's how it's supposed to be?
He did say it was sweet.
Yeah, do it. Wait.
That's why I brought the chiles in case you guys want to add chili.
You know us so well.
Not me.
You like it?
It's like something I don't know what it is.
I know. It tastes like one of those candies.
I know exactly what it tastes like, but I'm not gonna.
This part fell on the table.
And then they added cheese, but no traje cheese.
Good.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna serve you this.
Thank you.
What's
Please.
happening, Mom?
But
Here
what
we
about
go.
the chips?
You
If
can
you
check
wanna-
if you want to.
If you want to.
This?
Oh my god.
Once you get your plate,
I'm gonna put that in.
once you get your plate, you're gonna add whatever you want to yours.
Are we gonna
I'm
put
gonna
those
both.
hot?
Here, Nathan.
I got this one.
Doesn't matter.
I already have a fork.
Okay, yes.
You
missed the whole entire plate.
Can you help me put some?
Can you give us spoon minutes? Never mind. I don't want to hear it.
Almost good.
Tell me when to stop, okay?
Stuff. I mean, I'm just putting.
Here, Brian. You want some butter?
Yo, there's a hair in mine.
I'm just gonna get it. I'll save myself. It's okay.
Better give me those little chips.
Can you give me a plate?
Mm.
Thank you.
It's so spicy.
But do you like it?
Wait.
Do you like
Really? It is not.
It's spicy.
Do you like it?
Kind of.
His mouth is watering.
I'm gonna try it.
Get some.
You say you're gonna serve yourself or you want me to serve you?
I'll serve myself. It's okay.
Because I'm gonna start eating, that's why.
Yeah, it's okay.
Is it spicy?
Is it good?
It's good, but not spicy. He's saying it's spicy. It's not spicy.
I want to put that on here. Mom,
Gonna add a little bit more spice to it.
You want to put what?
that.
What's that?
The chips.
Oh, hold on.
That's the hair I was trying to throw out because it was in there.
That's it?
You're gonna eat out of that?
I'll just eat from one side.
Yeah, do you notice when we're watching
Like
one
noodles?
of these videos, the little kids, they hang the noodles with the chip.
Thank you, Brian, for the idea.
I know, she was a brand.
It's actually good.
The mom was
Yeah.
Dang, Mom.
Damn.
Oh my god.
You're not playing.
That's a lot of chili.
Mom was
Taste
It's
it?
good.
Mom was about
You
to
guys
go
wanna taste
sleep.
Taste it. It's
You're
actually
barely
good.
putting the chili.
No.
She put a lot of
This side
chili.
already has chili, but I wanted to put some more.
Oh.
Mom was about to go sleep,
'Cause
but
I-
when Brianne put that video on,
Hold on. To the 5 noodles that I did, I only added 2.
Oh my god.
Come on,
Wanna
taste it.
Try it.
Please.
please, it's so good. It's so cool. It's so cool.
And then look, we're gonna add the chips, which already has some.
Huh?
Oh, my bad.
Next time it's gonna be Takis.
Yeah, that is. But
Taste
you
it,
guys,
Nika?
I'm gonna die though.
No, you're not.
It's gonna give you chorro.
Don't say that.
¿Cómo vas a dormir? Is yours really spicy?
Not spicy at all.
I didn't put a lot. I didn't put a lot of sauce. Ew.
You mean it was good.
And then they
in the
added
video,
cheese.
when he made it, he makes it look so good. You like it?
I mean, it's good. Like if I were to be hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's a snack. I wouldn't eat it
Oh
for
my God.
food like a snack.
It's so good. For me.
Same, because I'm hungry.
Me too. It's so good.
What do you rate it out of 10? I rated it a 6 out of 10.
Are you going to go to Nancy's house with us?
I don't know.
I'll give it a 10.
What do you give it, mommy?
I'll give it 10 and a half.
I'm going to look.
So a 10?
No
Me, I
wonder
give
why
it a
she
6.
got the whole plate.
It's too sweet.
Oh, it's too spicy for you?
No.
You don't like it?
Can I get some?
No me cayó. I'm kind of upset because all of you guys like it. I don't.
Oh, you don't?
Do I come on?
I'm kind of with Valerie. It's too sweet. But it's good.
You put a lot of chili.
I did.
Right?
Yours looks black.
Yeah, kind of black. I'm spiced.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Happy New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve.
But we're not gonna see our mom, so
For 2 days.
Yuri, give me some water.
That's not water.
Soda?
Is this?
I mean, neon?
How you said your name? I? Your spice?
I want to try yours.
You're gonna be dying.
Oh my god, Mom.
It's so black. Even for you, I can see black right there.
It's not black. You got colorblind.
Spicy?
You served me a lot.
I'm looking
No,
at
when you spread it, it looked like a lot.
I spread it myself.
You don't want any more, huh?
No, I don't.
What?
He was like, me?
Yeah, right.
What?
I just bring it to her.
That was coming down quick.
Oh, what the?
What?
Me too, whenever I get a spice, like, mochas end up sliding down my nose. And can you put more in here?
In the normal.
I was just getting one bite of this and then the chicken and then one of this. And that's what I was doing.
Yeah, after a little while, it's not good anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first part, it was bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah. The second for
I don't know how those two guys like
For
finished
me,
it
the
all.
second one was bomb. For me, the second one that I ate.
I'm done.
Already?
It doesn't look like you ever started.
For real. I was getting little by little.
They were eating it so good. You couldn't wait for this moment, and now it's like you're done.
Right?
They made it like bomb.
Yeah, they did.
No more. Can't take it no more. It's like I'm eating candy for days.
Where's this one been?
And they added
They added sugar,
3.
right?
No, the beets come with sugar already.
So,
No wonder it's sweet.
I should have just used 1, huh?
How many did you use?
2. They used 3.
dang. It was good. But then after a little while,
Yeah, after a little while, it's not good. I don't like it anymore. In the beginning, it was like so good, but
fail. Hashtag fail.
yeah.
So you guys rated this a 10 in the beginning. What do you guys rate it now?
I rated it a 6 the whole entire time.
I never rated to nothing.
Okay, I'm changing the number.
It's no longer a 10.5.
It's gonna be 1.
What? No, you like it.
No, I don't like the number.
I feel like Nick is a 5. I like it as a snack.
A snack.
But a little
This is
bit.
all what Adrian be eating. So
Yeah, I think I'll probably like it.
there's no more, Mom.
Yeah,
Can
I
you give
don't,
me that?
I don't think there's no more.
She don't care. Mommy, can you get some ice, please? I'm spiced.
Rice unspiced. What?
Wanna add more?
No, this is your cup.
Hands in there.
I didn't want to pick it up.
I don't want any more.
Yeah. I'm still eating
This
it.
sucks. This really sucks. What a waste of noodles.
No, I'm gonna have just regular spicy noodles.
Yeah.
Next time, maybe not the Takis.
If you guys,
5 chips in there.
no, it's under her.
That's
Yeah.
why. She just let her have the rest.
Yeah,
I cracked my back.
Why are yours white?
Right?
This is like so red and hers are like so white.
Because the light is hitting that part of the table.
Ugh. No more.
Right?
Disgusting! I don't like it anymore. I should have never taken that last bite. Yeah, I don't like your idea, Brian, anymore.
my idea. Yeah, my idea.
Let's not listen to Brandon.
It was my idea. It was your idea.
No,
Mom.
because we were looking at the others, the ones that they do this, but literally only with the chips,
Wait, without the meat?
without anything, just the chips.
Like the powder?
Just the
That's
powder.
what I thought it was going to be.
But then she was like, "Oh, I want to try that one. Like it looks so good," and it did look good. It looked really good how they were eating it, but
Right?
You got to fake it till you make it.
at least we tried, and we're not like.
But you upset at me.
No, who said I'm upset? I'm just saying it was a good idea, but it was a fail.
Why are you staring at me?
What was that?
I'm just waiting for one of you. Might not drink something to drink.
Well, then we're going to keep on waiting here because
I'm in the middle.
That's why I said them too.
Not it.
Got it.
It's always
So
whoever's
basically,
closest. Yeah, you're the
This
one that
video
came
is
up with
over.
that. You're closer.
No. See back.
You understand?
Man.
Any last words that you guys want to say?
Yeah.
They were good in the beginning,
Yeah.
but
For you, they were not good at the beginning.
they weren't good when
It
I
was-
licked. When I licked it, the sauce.
Brand.
I was out. I was done.
Let me give it back to you.
That's why you were like, I
Yeah.
served myself, huh?
Because I know you served me like that. You know, I put the sauce, I put the
So,
seaweed thinking.
Adrian, you didn't miss anything.
Yeah.
Hi, Adrian.
I mean, it wasn't a fail. Some people like it, some people don't. And we're just the people
Yeah,
that don't like
still
it.
try it. I mean,
People have different opinions.
I'm more of a spicy person,
Mhm.
not sweet.
Yeah, me too.
Me three.
Me 4.
Her 5.
But people who like sweet stuff out there, go
well,
ahead and
probably
try.
like if we would have just done the regular noodles, the spicy noodles, and just added the,
Okay, I'm getting up, but I'm
the
not
chips,
gonna go.
huh? This is sweet.
5 off.
5 off.
I'm disappointed.
In you.
You're disappointed. Makes sense.
You're
I'm
an
not gonna
idiot.
listen to you anymore.
Me! Me! Okay,
Where are you going?
no, I'm done. I was watching the video, you stayed up and you said, oh, we should do that. Oh my god, I'm craving it. Oh my god, you're making me crave stuff now.
Yeah.
Basically the whole
Never
entire video.
again. I'm not doing this ever again. I didn't like it. Try it if you guys want to try it, but
Try
a mí
it.
no me gustó para
Then
nada.
you'll like it. Try it.
A Valerie no le gustó.
And you like
Nathan no le gustó.
I think in the video, I don't know if you're recording, if you see me or not, I licked it and I put it down and I was like, I didn't like it.
So thank you for watching. Hopefully next one comes out better. Until then, see you guys on our next video.
Bye!